Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go, maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. It included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? Today's product is absolutely perfect if you have a cat or a kitten and you are looking for a way to automatically feed them. So this is an automatic cat feeder with a 2K camera. This was sent over by a company called EGPETS. It's going to obviously come with a quick start guide and an instruction manual. We're covering all the features right here in the video. Now, once it's assembled, this is what it looks like right here next to me. It's going to have two ways to power this up. So first off, you're going to get a USB-C to USB cable with a power adapter. This is how it's going to get kind of its permanent power. So you're just going to go plug this into a wall outlet, plenty of cord. The cord is also a nice braided cord. So if you do have a chewer, it's going to basically protect the cable itself. Now, in case of a power outage or anything like that, if you need to move it, it does have D battery support for the backup aspect of this. So, but it does need to be kind of plugged in for the camera aspect of it. So, but I like it in case it does lose its power. Now, as far as the size, it's very, very compact when it comes to placement where you are utilizing this. It is about 7.5 inches wide. It's about 12.25 inches in depth and about 12.25 inches in height. The bowl itself here slides into place, so it's not easy. It's not going to move around or anything like that. It's nice and secure. However, it does have a nice removable stainless steel bowl itself, so super easy to clean, and also you can even put this in the dishwasher. It's got a nice curve here for their whiskers, so it's not going to be when they're eating, it's not going to be having their whiskers kind of smashed up against the edge, which is nice as well. Now you're going to notice right above this component, you're going to have a little button here. This is just to do a manual feeding. Simply press that and it'll go ahead and manually feed. It's super quiet. The mechanism on here, you can't even hear it at all when it is running. So very, very cool. Then you're going to notice you got the camera itself. So like I said, this is a 2K camera. Also has night vision. So if you're doing really early feedings or really late feedings, you'll be able to get an eye on them. Obviously, it's going to be triggered by motion. Now, it also does support two-way audio, so if you do wish to talk to your cat through it, you can do that as well. Now, there is a way to basically store the videos is via the micro SD card, which you can go ahead and get and then insert, or you can go ahead and upgrade to their cloud service if you wish to go that route as well. All of this is done through their easy to use app, which is the Cloud Edge app. That's also the way you're going to do the scheduling on this thing. So the scheduling, very easy to set up. You have tons of customizable features. So first off, you're going to be able to do up to 10 scheduling times, which is quite a bit. We do like to space out our feedings, so that way, because our cat will eat a lot really fast, so it kind of slows down his eating, which allows you to do that. Now, each one of those schedules, you can also do customized portion feedings up from 1 to 5. So depending on how much food you want coming out, you can adjust that as well. So lots of options when it comes to scheduling, which is really cool. Now, speaking of like the mechanism, so first let's show you how this whole breaks down, because it's very, very easy to clean. So first off, you have at the top, you have this little pinch mechanism to go ahead and remove the top. So that way your cat cannot manage to get this top off. It has to be pinched, which is really nice. Even if they knock it over, it's not going to pop open the top and just spill food everywhere. Then on the bottom side, you're going to notice it has these little holes. This is for a descant. It helps with the humidity and keeping the food nice and dry. Completely optional, obviously, also depending on where you live. They do include a descant packaging, so you can go ahead and put that in there if you wish, and it just stays nice and secure up there. Then you're going to have your large reservoir of food. Once again, very, very easy to fill up. This is going to hold about 3.7 liters of food, so plenty of food for multiple weeks if you are traveling or anything like that. As you can see, it's clear, a frosted look to it, so you can also get an idea of how low the food is going, and then letting you know basically when it's time to refill up. Now, when it comes to cleaning, this comes off easy. Just simply twist. There is a nice little lock and unlock on the back side, so just go ahead and twist and pull off. Once again, you can easily soak this element as well. And the base station part also comes off as well. Stainless steel part comes off as well. Then you can see here is the mechanism that actually turns. So you have this nice soft silicone rubber that's gonna turn the food, make sure it goes into the hole here, nice little hole. And then when you press the button, you'll notice it's going to kind of rotate. One of the cool things about this is it fully blocks where their paw goes. So if they kind of shove their paw up here to try to cheese out some food, they're not gonna be able to. There is no gap so where they can kind of snag any food, which is really nice. And you'll also notice there is the micro SD card slot also right at the food chute as well. But when it comes to cleaning this, also very easy. It also unlocks. So simply just twist and then pull out. So once again, you can go ahead and put this in the sink and soak it. None of this I wouldn't suggest putting in the dishwasher except for the stainless steel part. You can go ahead and throw that in there if you wish, or hand wash it. The rest of the components you want to basically hand wash in the sink. And then the control unit itself, obviously you're just gonna wanna wipe down with a nice rag, but it's very easy. Essentially the only thing on here once you remove is the chute itself where food touches. Everything else is pretty much on these components besides the chute and then this little section right here. So very, very easy to keep nice and clean. Now, another thing that I like about the mechanism itself is this is designed for kibble up to 12 millimeters. So that's pretty big kibble size. However, it does have a feature of auto reversing. So if it does detect like a jam, it will go ahead and go backwards. So that way it can kind of help clear that jam and keep it from getting stuck, which is another nice feature of this little kind of anti-clog feature, if you will. And then you're gonna get all the notifications via your app on your phone, your tablet, wherever you have it set up of when your feedings go off, and then like I said, with the footage and all that kind of stuff. Overall, it works very, very well. If you're into the market for an automatic pet feeder for your cat, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.